Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Activate 6 eyes by meeting the story trigger, then equip visual enhancing items so your perception gain applies instantly. Once done, reset your cursed energy allocation into precision and stamina. This boosts sustained usage. Make sure to start in a safe arena with full HP and a save point. This prevents losing progress while you learn timing. The why is simple. 6 eyes amplifies input, so tuning energy and environment lets you translate that input into reliable outputs quickly. You now escalate. Use short bursts of 6 eyes to tag enemy hitboxes precisely, because prolonged use drains resources and blurs focus. Once tagged, chain a quick offensive preset, but swap to a defensive preset immediately after impact to preserve stamina and react to counters. Make sure to employ slow motion or aim assist toggles for micro adjustments. They turn raw perception into executable frames. The why? This cadence maximizes damage windows while minimizing waste, so your accuracy stays. You finish strong. After the final hit, turn off 6 eyes to let cursed energy recover and clear sensory overload. This readies you for the next encounter. If your vision stutters or frames drop, immediately toggle presets and re-equip visual items. This forces a soft reset of the perception pipeline. Make sure to bind a hotkey for instant save or escape, because if things go wrong, you need a guaranteed recovery option. The why? Managing on/off cycles and rapid resets prevents long-term resource drain and avoids fatal mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.